Okay, hello everyone. In this video and presentation, we are going to do a review of sentences. We're going to talk about the two types of incomplete sentences. This is a review. Talk about simple and compound sentences. This is also a review. And finally, complex sentences. This is new. And you can download and look at this presentation yourself, and also my notes at the bottom on Schoology. So first, what is a sentence? Right? This is review. A sentence is a complete thought or idea that contains a subject and verb. They always start with a capital letter, and it ends with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Of course, you know this. Two types of incomplete sentences. First, there's fragments, right? Fragments are missing one or more parts, like a subject or verb. An example is ate pizza yesterday, or I soccer, right? In example number one, the subject is missing, right? Our blue color is missing, I. And in this one, the verb is missing, which could be played, right? I played soccer. And this one has a subject and a verb, but this one is still an incomplete sentence. This is a special case, and we are going to talk about this today in complex sentences. So how can you fix a fragment? How can you fix a fragment? You can add a subject to this first sentence. Let's make it ate pizza yesterday to I ate pizza yesterday. You can add a verb to one that's missing a verb. So I soccer becomes I played soccer. The other kind of incomplete sentence is a run-on. And run-ons are sentences that are too long. You need to separate them and make them shorter. So this is an example. This is a combination of the two simple sentences. And how can we fix a run-on sentence? Well, we can add a comma and a conjunction, like the word and make it a compound sentence. So I ate pizza yesterday and I played soccer. Or you can use a period, question mark, or exclamation point to make two simple sentences like this. I ate pizza yesterday. I played soccer. So these are our two types of incomplete sentences. But how about complete sentences? Well, of course, you know there are simple, compound, and the new one, complex. Simple sentences are sentences with at least one subject and one verb. So in this example, there are two subjects, Olga and I, but one verb, teach English. And this is a simple sentence. Another way is with two verbs, but one subject. So Olga speaks English and speaks French. Two verbs here. Another name for a simple sentence is an independent clause. And simple sentences are independent clauses. An independent clause is a group of words that can be a sentence. It does not need anything else. So if simple sentence is at least one subject and one verb, a compound sentence is two simple sentences together with a conjunction. So here you will see there are two subjects, well, three subjects, and two verbs. Here is simple sentence number one, Olga and I teach English, and simple sentence number two, we live in Japan. And they are combined with this word and. So compound sentence is simple sentence one plus simple sentence two. And because compound sentences are two simple sentences, that means compound sentences are two independent clauses. So this is all review. Everything here is review. We know this already. The new information is complex sentences. So what is a complex sentence? Well, a complex sentence is a sentence that has an independent clause and a dependent clause. So what is a dependent clause? Different from independent clause, dependent clause is a group of words which cannot be a sentence. So it's not a sentence. For example, after Noah moved to Japan, he started studying English. He started studying English is an independent clause. It's a simple sentence, right? Subject, verb, simple, right? But after Noah moved to Japan looks like a simple sentence, but it's not a simple sentence. It's not an independent clause. It has a subject and verb, but this special word after makes it not a complete sentence. It's a dependent clause. And this is what a complex sentence is. It's dependent clause plus independent clause. One part that's simple sentence and another part that cannot be a sentence. And here are some more examples using words that are often used in independent clauses like after, although, because, since, until. So although he studied hard, he didn't pass his German test. This is a simple sentence, but this isn't. This isn't an independent clause. It's a dependent clause. Because the students worked hard, they learned a lot. And also, they can flip like this. I think basketball is the best sport because it is so fast. Or since I slept so much this weekend, I feel really energetic. Or I listened to the music until I was sick of the songs. So if you have more questions about complex sentences, simple sentences, and compound sentences, you can go to this YouTube channel and watch great videos. The English is a little fast, but you can use captions using here, looking at subtitles. And these will help also explain about simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. And that's all.